Hello students, welcome to this computer class. In this class, I am going to discuss about the chapter 4 from page number 63 to page number 65. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic changing shape of the text. Next is inserting word art and formatting word art. So first topic is changing the shape of the text. So how to change the shape of the text? You can also have the option to change the shape of the text to make it more attention catching. The steps are as follows. First step is select the text box or select the text in the text box. Next, click Format tab and select the text effect option in the word art style group. So, from the word art style group, you can select any text effect. Next, third option is click on the transform option and select an effect from the sub menu. Here, this is the transform option, and when you click on this transform option, you can see this is the sub menu. You can choose any effect from this sub menu. Next topic is inserting word art. First of all, what is word art? Word art is a text styling feature in Word 2013. The word art gallery includes different styles that can be applied to any text. The shape and formatting characteristics of a word art object are called word art styles. So, what is word art? Word art is the text styling feature. Here you can see that there are different types of word art. And the shape and formatting characteristics of a word art object is called word art style. These are the word art style. Now, creating word art. So, how to create word art? These are the steps. To insert a word art in your document, do the followings. First is place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a word art object. Here cursor means mouse pointer. Then click the insert tab. Then click the word art button in the text group and select word art style. From here you can select any of word art style. A placeholder appear in the document. Fourth step is replace the placeholder with the text you want. Next topic is formatting word art. You can use the options available on the Format tab under Drawing Tools to change the appearance of word art text. Here you can see this. This is the Format tab. And in the Format tab, you can see that there are different types of formatting options are there. There are shape style, word art style. So, to change the appearance of your word art text, do the followings. So, these are the steps for applying formatting to your word art. First of all, select the word art text. Then go to click the Format tab. So, click the Format tab. Then in the word art style group, click the drop down menu arrow of the text fill option. So, this is the word art style group. From here, you can click the text fill option drop down menu. This is the drop down arrow of text fill option. And select the desired color. You can also select a gradient fill. To change the text outline, click the drop down menu arrow of the text outline option. So here this is the text outline option. Fifth step, you can also change the thickness, means width or weight, and line style dashes. If you want the outline to be transparent, then select no outline. Sixth step is to add a visual effect to the text. Click the text effect button and select the desired effect. 7th point is to change the text direction. Click the text direction option and select the desired effect. So from here you can see that this is the text direction option. Last step is to rotate text. Click and drag the rotation handle. Now see that good to know option is you can also convert existing text to word art text. Select the text and click the word art command. The selected text will be placed within a text box. Change the format using font group command on the home tab and the format tab command under drawing tool. So you can change the formatting of the word art by using two tabs. First is home tab. You can select home tab, go to font group to change the styling of the word art, and also you can go to format tab and change the style of word art. So that's all for today's class. In the next class I am going to discuss about the next thing, which is drop cap. Okay, so thank you.